A do batu batu batu. A do batu 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 batu. A do batu 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 batu. Ah, Raven, you broke my guitar. Man, what's wrong with you? Hey, hey, get back here. Stop. Hey, you're gonna pay what you did to my guitar. Ah, Raven. Raven. Ah. Oh, hey, little mini man, are you alright? Yeah. Oh my, who did this to you? Is that Raven? Uh, yeah. Oh boy. Here, I'll help you up. Uh, uh, thank you. No problem. My name is Larry, by the way. Nice to meet you, Larry. I'm Bong Bong. Oh, very nice to meet you, Bong Bong. Uh, and now I'm going out. Okay. Hello, Raven? What are you doing here? Can we help you with something? Hey, that was our golden ticket chair. You know, that was our golden ticket chair for you to stink in the ticket chair. Now it wasn't there anymore. Man, something is wrong with Raven. I agree, DJ. I agree. We both agree with that. But what's gotten into her? We don't know. But something's up with her. Or maybe we have to start over and get that golden ticket chair inside the house. Yeah, we better.